There is a lot of AI hype out there right now. But here's the truth. I'm not some tech genius and I didn't grow up with connections. We live paycheck to paycheck and money was always tight. At one point, I was so deep in debt, I could barely afford gas. Today, I make average $1,000 to $3,000 a day in pure profit. And some days, I even hit five figures. But I didn't get here with dropshipping, Amazon FBA, or crypto. What changed everything for me was something I now call AI digital arbitrage. And in this video, I'm going to show you how it works, even if you've never made a dollar online. A few years ago, I was stuck, broke, in debt, and also actually got sued by credit card companies. I was stressed out 24/7. I tried selling physical products on Amazon. I lost thousands of dollars on inventory. I also tried trading, flipping domains, freelancing. Nothing worked for me. Eventually, I was living off my credit cards, overwhelmed by the idea that I was going to have to work 40 plus years just to maybe retire. I knew I had to do something different, but not just work harder, but something smarter and actually can create results. And that's when I started looking into digital products. At first, I did what most people do. I spent months creating my own product, which was a basic mindset ebook. I launched it, crossed my fingers, and guess what? It flopped. All that effort I put in got me zero results. I realized most people fail because they start by trying to create something without knowing how to market, how to sell, or even what people really want. But then something clicked. I noticed something during that challenging time. The people who were succeeding online weren't always creating their own stuff. They were simply promoting other people's offers that already existed and making simple commissions. Just like Uber doesn't own any cars, Airbnb doesn't own homes. They weren't building products. They were promoting offers that already worked and getting paid every time someone bought. They were using simple content powered by AI to send people to high converting digital offers. And the best part, no product creation, no fulfillment, no headaches. And that's when I developed a model I now call AI digital arbitrage. It's the fastest, simplest path I've found to go from zero to consistent online income. And our students are proving it works too. One busy mom with three kids, Laura, made her first $6,900 in just 3 weeks. Another student, Trisha from India, hit $4,000 in just 4 weeks. They didn't build products. They didn't run pay ads. They just followed the system. Let me show you exactly how it works. Step one, pick a proven product. Don't start by building something new. That's backwards. Instead, promote digital products that already convert, things people are already buying. Look for offers in these three evergreen categories. Number one, health, like helping people lose weight, get into better shape. Category number two, wealth, like teaching people side hustles, investing, digital marketing skills. Category number three, relationships, like dating, parenting, and marriage. You can find products like this on platforms like OfferLab or private affiliate networks. Some offers pay $300 to $1,000 per sale. You don't need hundreds of customers, just a few good ones. Step two, use AI to create content. This is the part that used to take people hours. Now it takes minutes. With AI, you can generate faceless video scripts, create posts, stories, and even voiceovers. Build educational content without ever showing your face. You use AI tools like ChatGPT or Cloud, and your job is just to post consistently. Step three, post your content to Facebook. Start by posting on your Facebook page, in Facebook groups. You don't need followers to start. You don't need a big brand. You just need a simple content system. AI helps with this. A clear link in your profile so people can click and buy your recommendations. And also consistency. 1 to 2 posts per day, right? Some of my students made their first $1,000 online in a week with less than 100 followers. Step four, let the numbers guide you. Here's the beauty of this AI digital arbitrage model. If people aren't clicking your link, you tweak the content. The more people click through your link, the more sales you will make. It's fast feedback, low risk, and proven path to your first $10,000 month. No need to burn 6 months building a product just to see it flop. So how do you find a winning product? Here's the winning product formula. Great products always hit 4 things. Number one, clear dream outcome. For example, lose 10 pounds in 8 weeks. Make an extra $5,000 in 8 weeks. Fix your sleep in 2 sessions. Number two, believability. The good offer, it has proof, testimonials. Number three, fast results. Customers could get results in days or weeks, not months or years. Number four, low effort perceived. For example, AI, templates, done for you elements. Use this as your guideline when picking offers to promote. When all 4 elements are there, your sales conversion goes way up. But Daniel, I don't know anything about AI. You don't need to. AI does 90% of the work for you. Hey, Daniel, I don't have followers. You don't need them. New accounts actually get more organic reach. I've never made any money online. Neither had I when I started. That's why this model works. It's not about who you are. It's about what you promote and how consistently you show up. And here's the hard truth most people avoid. Most people will hear this, nod their head, and then go back and scrolling. They'll keep looking for the next secret, while others take imperfect action and start stacking commissions. The opportunity is here, right now. AI is moving fast. The ones who execute now are the ones who win big later. So here's what I recommend. If you are serious about creating online income and you want to skip the years of trial and error, I put together a free step-by-step masterclass showing you the exact products that pay me and my students $500 to $1,000 per sale, the AI tool that build your content in minutes, and how to launch your first offer even if you are starting from zero. So click the link down below. You'll see the exact roadmap that changed my life and is now helping thousands of others. If you are tired of watching and ready to build real income online, click down below and I'll see you inside the class. Let's go.